Hello student, welcome to this session where we are going to discuss about the Xgmt exam. The last date to apply to XIM through Xgmt is over now and it was on the 10th of January. But there are different exams through which you can apply to XIM Bhubaneswar and the date is still on. Let us talk about those exams first. So as you can see that these are the important dates. Okay, different exams. XIM selects Nmat score, except Nmat score for its HR program, and that window is still open, right? Through CAT, through ZAT, if you have scored well, and if you have written Gmat in the last year, that means before the 31st December 2025, you can still apply to XIM till the 20th January for any of its program. Nmat is accepted only for HR and rural management. Okay, now Xgmt through which you can apply to XIM, the date is over. These are the different programs offered by the XIM, and they also accept the university topper. So in case you are rank holder in any of the big universities of India, you can also apply to XIM and you can get an interview call without attempting any of the written test. Yes, that is true. And you can also verify this while applying to XIM. Okay, so BM and HRM are the two flagship programs which happens at the XIM main center and not in the center which is 20 kilometers away. The other courses, as you can see, the rural management, the sustainability management, the urban management and other MBF programs, they accept all the exams and they for their campus is far from the main campus. Okay, now coming to the Xgmt exam, there are 4 different sections for Xgmt and we will talk in detail about these sections in my next video. But as of now, you should understand that Xgmt is a very unpredictable exam when it comes to emotional quotient and general awareness, or you can say verbal ability. Okay, last year they have given 2 hours for the entire paper, out of which students have managed to clear the cutoff in the last 2 sections, that means emotional quotient and verbal ability. But it was very difficult for them to clear the cutoff in the first 2 sections because it involves a lot of calculation. No screen calculator is allowed or given in this exam. Sectional time limit, Xgmt is the only exam where you have to perform well in data interpretation, which is calculation based. Reason being, this is the only exam where the DI will be tested in a given frame of time. If you consider CAT, the LRDI of CAT is entirely different from what is being asked in the Xgmt exam. If you consider Nmat, the data interpretation is included in the quant section. This happens in many of the exams. If you consider CMAT, okay, so in that exam also quants and DI, they come together. But this is the only exam happening right now in India for any B school where your calculation based DI will be tested. For any further inquiry, you can call to my number or you can visit quanticatest.com. Please download the Quantica app if you have Android phone. And in case of Apple phone, you will download the Class Plus app with an ORG code, which is given in the comment below.